Fixing malfunctioning sensors in a Volkswagen, O2, MAF, ABS, etc. requires proper diagnosis and targeted repairs. Here's a step-by-step guide to troubleshooting and fixing common sensor issues. Diagnose the problem first. Before replacing any sensor, confirm which one is faulty using OBD-II Scanner. Check for trouble codes like P172, P101, P121, etc. Live data monitoring. Check sensor readings while the engine runs. Visual inspection. Look for damaged wires, corrosion, or leaks. Never replace a sensor. Blindly, many issues are caused by wiring or other faults. 2. Common VW sensor fixes. A. Oxygen. O2. Sensor issue symptoms. Check engine light, CL, with codes like P130, P167, poor fuel economy, rough idle, failed emissions. Fix. Locate the faulty O2 sensor. Upstream equals before catalytic converter. Downstream equals after. Check wiring, connector for damage or corrosion. Test with a multimeter. Heater circuit. 440, U1, Mi3, Ga3. Signal voltage. 0.1, 0.9 V. Fluctuating. Replace if faulty. Use OEM or NTK. NGK sensor sheep ones fail quickly. Clear codes and test drive. Pro tip. A stuck O2 sensor? Use penetrating oil and an O2 sensor socket to avoid stripping it. B. Mass airflow. MAF. Sensor issues symptoms. Codes. P101, P102, P103. Rough idle, hesitation, poor acceleration. Fix. Unplug the MAF while the engine is running. If it runs better, MAF is likely bad. If no change, check for vacuum leaks. Clean the MAF with CRC MAF cleaner. Do not touch the wires. Test voltage. Check pinout for your model, usually 12V, ground, and signal wire. Replace if needed. OEM Bosch MAFs work best. Common culprits. Dirty air filters, oiled aftermarket filters, KN, or unmetered air leaks. C. ABS. ESP wheel speed sensor issues symptoms. ABS. ESP warning light. Codes like P113, P121, or speedometer failure. Fix. Check the sensor, located near each wheel hub. Inspect for debris, metal shavings, common on VWs with magnetic sensors. Test resistance, usually 800 2000, 11 Mi3, Ga3. Check service manual for specs. Check tone ring, damaged, cracked rings cause erratic signals. Replace sensor, OEM preferred. Aftermarket may not last. Pro tip. If one sensor keeps failing, check the wheel bearing. Magnetic tone ring may be damaged. D. Coolant temp sensor issues. Symptoms. Overheating, fan not working codes, P115, P118. Erratic temperature gauge. Fix. Locate the sensor, usually near the thermostat housing. Test resistance. Compare to temp chart in repair manual. Replace with a green top OEM sensor. Older black ones fail often. 3. General sensor troubleshooting tips. Check wiring. Connectors. VW's wiring can fray near sensors. Clean ground points. Bad grounds cause false sensor errors. Use dielectric grease. Prevents corrosion on connectors. Clear codes. Test drive. Some faults need a few drive cycles to reset. When to seek professional help. If sensors keep failing, possible ECU or wiring issue. If you lack tools, e.g., oscilloscope for CAN bus signals. For ABS, ESP coding, some VWs require calibration after sensor replacement. Final advice: OEM. Bosch sensors last longer than cheap aftermarket ones. Don't ignore underlying issues, e.g., vacuum leaks causing MAF errors. Invest in VCDS, VAGCOM, for advanced VW diagnostics.